lovely shadow, never the flame. A heart you touched but never named. Yet still I rose, a storm, a scream. Not yours to keep, but yours to dream. I am not the one you chose, but I bled just like a rose. Crushed in hands that never see the soul behind what I could be. So let the violins cry, let the darkness breathe. I loved like war and broke like grief. You were the king of fading light, but I'm the queen of endless fire. In the ruins of almost, I carved my throne. With broken bones I stood alone. You feared my fire, loved the glow, but ran when it burned too close to show. They love the light, but curse its price. They want the truth, but choose disguise. Not every soul that bleeds is weak. Some hearts were never born to seek approval. I am not your soft regret, not a choice you can forget. I dance where no one dares to see the power in a silent plea. Let the violins scream, let the drops decay. His heart was forged in disarray. Our love in shadows broke through scars. Now I burn beyond your stars. I carved my throne. With broken bones I stood alone. In the ruins of almost, I carved my throne. With broken bones I stood alone. You feared my fire, loved the glow, but when it burned too close to show, then I run too close to show. They love the light, but curse its price. They want the truth, but choose disguise. Not every soul that bleeds is weak. Some hearts were never born to seek